Welcome to the dropshipping house. Oh, Patrick can introduce himself now. They're off the call. And Dennis here. Yo, you want to give yourself a quick 30-second introduction? Who are you? Where are you from? What are you doing? What's about to happen?
18 years old from Switzerland. Making like about between 100k, 140k a month with dropshipping.
Boom.
That's it.
And what's about to go down here? What's on the way?
A fucking Lamborghini.
So he picked up the G-Wagon for the week. This guy's crazy, by the way, at driving. I don't know if he just doesn't care or he doesn't know what a stop sign is or a red light, but it doesn't matter. But look at what we just scooped. Uh-oh. Or look what Patrick just scooped. Oh, no.
That shit's crazy.
Yes, sir. All right, and now that the Lambo is here, Dennis, give them a quick rundown, 30 seconds. Who are you? What do you do? What do we got going on here?
18-year-old. I have an SMA. We've done $1 million in sales of Shopify.
Bing, bang, boom. And I just heard that Shopify cha-ching. Yeah. What do we got? Okay, we get it. Live example.
And yeah, so like I do SMA, and like we're up here in LA. We had a couple of our clients come down. We're just chilling, hanging out, and like
Give them the quick rundown on how we met. I know we've mentioned it before a long time ago.
I was watching a video on how to drop out of high school, and like he commented on it. And I was like
3 years ago.
So I commented. I was like, dude, we should connect. And then we hopped on a call. We kept hopping on calls for like 3 hours a day for like months. And we met up in San Francisco.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we were just like almost did some like crazy shit. And
yeah, it was love at first sight. Yeah. Ooh, neighbor's got the whip too. But yeah, now we got all this stuff going on up here.
Yeah.
We got all these cars. The crew is stacked up with rentals. We own none of these, except the M4, I guess, but this will be fun. J&J hooked it up. The boy John, again, always coming through. This is where I get all my cars from. And now we got Patrick skirting off with it. You. All right, so Noah just asked if this is a Performante. And I said there's no way they have one. But what do you guys have? You have the white one, which is
the country's first Performante.
The first one in the country. The first Performante ever in the US.
Spider.
Boom, and the Spider. And they got it in LA for rent. That's sick. Noah, you gonna rent the Performante? Come on. It's faster, yeah.
Wow.
All right, if you guys see on the wrap, there's a little chip in the wrap that goes under to the white paint. That's from the carbon fiber wing. The downforce of this, it's actually on both sides. The downforce when it goes over like 100 miles an hour hits right down. Look at that. That's crazy. This thing flexes like, oh my gosh. That's sick. This is gonna be a lot of fun out in Malibu. Unfortunately, I'm gonna be heading out of LA here in like an hour or so. In the meantime, Patrick's gonna be enjoying his Lambo, having some fun. Hey, but yeah, I think they're gonna, what are you guys taking it up to Malibu?
Yeah.
Gonna go have some fun, explore. This is a good little lineup here for sure. I'm in a spaceship, getting ready for takeoff. So we've just been up here working, of course, having a lot of fun as well. Up here in Hollywood, they're about to be heading out to Malibu. Unfortunately, I've got to drive like an hour and a half through traffic to get to a few appointments that I have to go to. Other than that, of course, it's been a lot of fun. It really has. Being in California, back again, it feels good, especially with the beautiful view like this. Yesterday, I don't know if you guys saw one of the last vlogs I made coming out here to LA. Had some fun, messed around in Santa Monica a little bit.
I'm black and I'm British and I'm from Chirac. Get the money every day like I live life. Thinking about the life, but you can never live it, yo. Jesus, I'm finna go goddess. Looking at the bitch, but she never took her top off. Money got me on a whole nother level. Staying at my favorite car, a LaFerrari. $7 million when you hit the Jaguar. Staying at the money, but the money couldn't solve shit. Wait a minute, where you from? Got me moving off the swag. Hey, mama with the bag. Hey, Izzy Miyake got me fast. Hey, phone him got the chopper, they gon' put it to his face. Beat the case like I'm 10K, but I did the race, got with it. I don't know, Jack, freestyle, yeah.
Damn! Got to go and enjoy ourselves out there, you know, the birds, everything around at the beach. We got a little gold mine here of all ours. We're ending the ride, about to hit the arcade. And of course, enjoy some fun cars. And we got a couple of fire Instagram photos. But anyways, other than that, this is kind of the e-com house we've been working with over the actually they've been here for like a week and they're gonna be here for a little while. Then they have a penthouse in downtown LA. and you know, we've just been hanging out here doing a lot. So it's really interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and hopefully met a couple of new people that I introduced you guys to. Other than that, if you guys want me to do more kind of like not necessarily business sit down video, like vlog type stuff, let me know in the comments down below. And of course, if you did enjoy it, be sure to drop a like down below and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow in the next video. Peace. Dude's got a matte black Tesla Model 3 and the license plate says 0.